Can you use WhatsApp without a SIM card? So yes, you can use WhatsApp without a physical SIM card, but you will still need a phone number to complete the initial registration and receive a verification code. Now the first thing what you can do is use a landline or virtual number. You can use a VoIP virtual number or even an active landline to register for WhatsApp. Also, you can link it to an existing account. If you already have WhatsApp set up on another phone, you can use the linked devices feature. So to use this feature, what you have to do is on your new device, which is a SIM-free, download and open the WhatsApp, then select your language and agree to the terms. Then when asked for your phone number, tap the 3 dots, then tap link as companion device to view a QR code. Now on your primary phone with your account, open your active WhatsApp app, then tap the U tab at the bottom right, and then tap linked devices. Now tap link a device at the bottom and then unlock your phone using your fingerprint, face ID or PIN. Then tap OK. Now scan the QR code displayed on your SIM-free device. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next one.